Malila?
Yeah, man, I'm picking up Rilla. No!
Welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to show you today how I got from this to this. And yes, I did it all by myself with Tina's guidance, of course. But you can do it too, and here's how. You're going to need a brush, tail comb, leave-in conditioner, a bottle with water, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 scrunchies. So we're keeping it simple with one super product that allows us to detangle, moisturize, and style. So here we go. Okay, so I'm giving Zara the full salon prep, ensuring that she has a towel covering her shoulders so she doesn't get wet, and she has a brush to brush her baby's hair as well. So we start by detangling by spritzing water onto the hair to moisten the hair. It's important to moisten the hair for two reasons. One, it would be very painful for them when you're combing it out. And two, because dry hair means brittle hair. So in order for it to be easier to manage, we spritz it with water and then apply this leave-in conditioner from Cantu, and we just work it through with our fingers first, what they call finger detangling, and then we will go ahead with the comb. Alright, so we were so happy to find a product like this, just one product that was able to do all of these things, because originally we would have to buy a moisturizer separate from a product to style. You know, sometimes persons have a different product for detangling, but this Cantu leave-in conditioner allows us to use this one product to get us the whole 9 yards. So today I'll be styling their hair in 3. So I'm going to go ahead now and do the sections by running the tail of the comb against the scalp to separate the hair, and then using the teeth of the comb to emphasize that separation by combing the hair to either side. So again, gently running the tail of the comb against the scalp and using the comb to just emphasize that part. So I started with a center part because I'm going to do the front of the hair in 2. I'm going to catch it in 2. And next, I'm going to part from ear to ear to separate the back, because I'm going to be bringing the back in 1. So I'll be catching the front in 2 separate sides, and I'll be gathering the back into 1. So now it's on to the fun part, the styling. So I'm borrowing the brush from Zara, and I'm just using the brush to gather the hair together. You want to get it as neat as possible so that when you catch it in 1, it would be nice and tight and neat. This brush works well because it's a soft bristle brush that doesn't pull too much on the hair. So it's both comfortable for them, but it gets the job done efficiently. So now I get the scrunchie or the hair tie, which will hold the hair and keep it in the style that I want. Remember to always cover the lids, as Leila is now dipping all the scrunchies into the leave-in conditioner, and she's having a big laugh about it. So I'm working my way around her head now and just gathering each part and getting the scrunchies in. And we prefer using scrunchies because the elastic bands tend to get all tangled up with the hair and knotty, and we really want to avoid that. And now for the big finish. It's pretty easy. It's the finger coiling. So I just moisten the hair with a little of the leave-in conditioner and separate it into little sections. Wrap and twirl around my finger and slowly just unwind it, poof, and there you have it, curls. And you just repeat this process for the amount of curls. Don't let it be too thick, the amount of hair that you have in your hand at each time, and you'll get that nice twirly curl. And now there's one final step, brushing down the baby hairs. Yes, every girl needs the baby hairs on the front of her head to brush down and looking laid and nice. And if all is well and Zara gives her approval, we move on to Layla. It's the same style, so we're just repeating all the processes as we did before until completed.
Zara, give Daddy the comb.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, 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 come.
Zara, bring the brush, please. Zara, bring the brush. Bring the brush. So there you have it. That's the finished product. A round of applause for Daddy. Yay! So, I mean, right now we have two girls under 3, and we're going to be getting 2 more girls by May. So that'll be 4 children under 3 years old. So, I mean, I just had to get the time to practice so I could chip in, whether it's combing hair or cleaning bottoms. It's all part of the job. So there you have it, guys. Big up from me and my house. Take care and see you again soon. Bye.